Welcome to My Notes Oracle DBA YouTube channel. This is a Q&A session. So which means we are clarifying our doubts based on the comments. So one of our subscriber has mentioned in the comment, "Hi, I have a doubt about reindex. Is there any chance of data loss when reindexing?" So the reindex process. Reindexing in PostgreSQL rebuild an index using the data stored in the index table, replacing the old index copy. The process is designed to be safe and non-destructive to your actual data. So, which means the reindex generally does not cause any data loss. However, there are important considerations to keep in mind. The purpose of reindexing. Reindex, we have to perform typically below scenarios. First one is index corruption, to recover from corrupted indexes due to software bugs or hardware failures. The next thing is index bloat, to reduce the space by consuming by empty or nearly empty pages. Third thing is storage parameter changes, to ensure changes to your index parameters have taken full effect. What are the potential impacts if you are not performing a reindexing? So the reindex does not cause any direct impact on your database, but it can do some of that. The thing is performance impact. Reindexing can be resource intensive and may affect your database performances during the operations. Point number 2, locking. The reindex command locks out writes but not out on the reads, which means the reindex can make an exclusive lock when it's performing a write on your parent table, which will block the reads that attempt to use the indexes. Third thing is temporary query plan changes. During the reindexing, the query planner may choose different execution plans, potentially affecting query performance temporarily. To minimize the risk and potential issue when we performing a reindexing, first option is use concurrently option. From PostgreSQL onwards, the concurrent option has been provided. So using the reindex concurrently to rebuild indexes with minimal impact on your write operations. The second one is schedule reindexing during less operation or low maintenance window. If possible, you can perform the reindexing during your weekends or just less maintenance window, which will improve your performances and it should not affect your daily routine operation. Third thing is monitor the process. You can use the verbose option to get the process report during the reindexing. I hope this video has covered all the doubts. If you have anything, you can just comment on this video. Thank you for watching.